In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a sack up, 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 8 times. Finally end with 1 slip stitch. With 1 chain stitch first. The chain stitch is only to raise the height and should not be counted into the number of stitches. With 1 single crochet in the first stitch, we will just work the slip stitch of the last round. Mark the first stitch. Next, with 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. We work 1 single crochet in 1 increase as 1 set. Keep working 7 more sets. The second set, with 1 single crochet in 1 increase. The third set, with 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The fourth set, with 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The fifth set, with 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The sixth set, with 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The seventh set, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The eighth set, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Eight sets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Insert a hook into the first stitch. Yarn round hook and put up a loop. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the original loop on the hook. That's 1 slip stitch. The slip stitch only serve as a connection and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a sack up, 3 single crochets, 1 increase for 6 times. Finally end with 1 slip stitch. With 1 chain stitch first. Then work 3 single crochets. Mark the first stitch. Three single crochets are done. Next, with 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Work 3 single crochets in 1 increase is 1 set. Keep working 5 more sets. We had demonstrated 3 sets. Please finish the rest 3 sets by yourself. Work 3 single crochets in 1 increase is 1 set. Six sets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 4 is done. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 30 single crochets, finally end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first, then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. We need to finish 30 single crochets in total. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 29 more single crochets. 30 single crochets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 5 is done.